सेक्शन 178 ऑफ द गोवा पंचायती राज ॲक्ट शिरीगांव पंचायतीन पळय तो खेळ चल्ला की डेमोक्रेसीचो खेळ ग्रासरूट्स लेवलाचेर आमी एम्पावर करूंक सोदता डेमोक्रेसी घट करूंक सोदता डेमोक्रेसी आनीक हांगा पळय चल्लां तें आज आमी डायरेक्टराच्या फुड्यान चॅलेंजींग म्हणून घेवन आयिल्ले आनीक आमची पिटिशनां डिसमीस जाल्या खरी पूण आमी हांगा पावले कित्याक हायकोर्टान सांगलें आमकां पयलीं डायरेक्टरा फुड्यान वचा म्हणून आनीक आमी अकॉर्डिंगली एज पर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द हायकोर्ट आमी हांगा डायरेक्टरा मुखार आमची केस मांडली पूण ही एक टेस्ट केस ही हांव शिरीगांव पंचायतीची तशी म्हणना पूण ज्या भाशेन पंचायत लेवलाचेर जो दबाव येता कोण तरी डॉन खंय तरी बसून रूल करता आनी ही ग्रासरूट डेमोक्रेसी फंक्शन जावपाक दिना म्हणून आमी हे आज जूज हांगा पंचायतीच्या डायरेक्टरा मुखार हाडलें तिणें आमचें मानून घेवंक ना खरें पूण हांगा तें कांय सोंपना कित्याक परते आमी हो मुद्दो घेवन हायकोर्टान वतलेच ही डेप्युटी सरपंच जी आसली तिका अनसेरेमोनियसली विदीन 40 days नो कॉन्फिडन्स घालून काडून उडयल्ली आनी कितें म्हणून की शी इज नॉट टेकिंग मेंबर्स इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स शी हॅज मिसयूज्ड हर पावर्स 40 दिसां भितरच कसलो मिसयूज जाता डिबेट करूंक दिवंक ना मोशन जे हाडलें तें 11चे पयलीं टायमींग दिवन सुद्दां 11च्या पयलींच घेवन उडयलें आनी सकयल उडयलें मिटींग मिनिट्स इन एडवान्स बरयल्ल्याचे आमी एविडन्स हांगा दिल्ले आसा मिटींग स्टार्ट जावचे पयलींच मिनिट्स बरोवन मेकळे जाल्ले आसा हे सगळें मांडून सुद्दां आमी आमचें आयकून घेवंक ना म्हणून एक खरें आमकां दिसता की इट इज अ व्हेरी सॅड डे फॉर ग्रासरूट्स लेवल डेमोक्रेसी हे आमी फुडें व्हरतले हायकोर्टान ही बाजू मांडटले कित्याक वी बिलीव दॅट under the 73rd amendment more and more powers should devolve to the पंचायत हो शिरीगांव पंचायतीचो मुद्दो ना तो सबंद गोंयच्या पंचायतींचो मुद्दो जंय ताका फ्रिडम दिल्लो आसा टू ऑपरेट विदीन दॅट फील्ड विदीन द प्रिस्क्रायब्ड डायमेन्शन हें करूंक दिना फक्त हे नंबर्स गेम करून लोकांचो डेव्हलपमेंट जो जावपाक जाय आज शिरीगांवच्या लोकांक खरें म्हणजे लॉस सरपंच नाशिल्लो शी वॉज परफॉर्मिंग व्हेरी वेल आनी इतले भितर तिचेर नो कॉन्फिडन्स हाडून तिकाय उडयली मदीं सरपंचच नासलो आतां दुसरो एक सरपंच काडला म्हणटा एवरीथींग वील बी लिगली टेस्टेड इन द हायकोर्ट थँक्यू
First of all, I would like to thank my good friend and fellow congressman, Advocate Elvis Combs, for appearing on my behalf at the Director of Panchayat. आयचो मुद्दो म्हणल्यार आमकां हिंगा येवपाचें कारण म्हटल्यार हायकोर्टान डायरेक्टीव दिल्या उपरांतूच आमी हिंगा येयले 5 तारीख ओयतुमराची नो कॉन्फिडन्स मोशन डेट थारायली ऑन द डेप्युटी मेलनी फ्लोरी डिसोजा तेका 3 clear days म्हणटा पळय ते दिवना सो वी अप्रोच एडिशनल डायरेक्टर फॉर आमकां 3 clear days दिवना म्हणून बिकॉज द नोटीस वॉज सर्वड ऑन अस ऑन 1st of October 2nd वॉज द गांधी जयंती 3rd वॉज अ संडे and 4th was the only day in that clear days and 5th was the day for the no confidence motion. So we requested the director, additional director, amka 3 disancho prepare जावपाक because तेणी condition घालें कितें no development. I don't know for 40 days who can do what development and आमकां म्हणून मेंबरांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेयना आनी मिसयूज ऑफ पावर्स सो फॉर दॅट रिजन इन ऑर्डर टू गेट प्रिपेर्ड वी आस्क फॉर 3 days एज पर द लॉ इट इज सेड एज पर द एक्ट 3 clear days सो वी रिक्वेस्टेड एडिशनल डायरेक्टर आमकां 3 clear days दिवना तो म्हणूंक लागलो आय वील हियर द मॅटर आनीक आमी वी अप्रोच हिम ऑन 7th of October. So 7th of October around 5:30 he tells us, I'm going to send a file for the government approval. आपणाचे हेजेर तुमकां हें दिवपाक जायना. Then after 5:30 we came back on 8th morning तो म्हणूंक लागलो आपणा कोणें तें करपाक जायना. यू एप्रोच द डायरेक्टर अगेन मार्क्ड इट टू द एडिशनल डायरेक्टर. Then he said, additional director, apna kone, I am not going to hear it because they were playing all this game, or tamasha guttali, and they were buying time. So we approached the High Court, and I'm very, very grateful to the Honorable High Court for directing this director of Panchayat to decide on the matter. I thought this yevchoच na halo because she gave 15 days time. Na जाल्यार I thought this आमचो yevchoच na halo. हे थिंगाच matter उरतले हाले. I believe in the law of the land. And in the end, because we wanted justice, here you don't get justice, you get only harassment. A grassroots level, म्हणटा पळय तें न्हू, तें फकत पेपराचेर आनी तोंडार. I am asking you all, okay, what do you mean by 3 clear days? हांव नको. Because we were given on the notice 3 clear days. The law says, the act says, the person should be given 3 clear days. I was served notice on 1st of October. Second was a Gandhi Jayanti. Third was a Sunday. I was getting only 1 clear day. Okay, that was Monday because 5th was the day of the no confidence motion. So I want to know, I'm asking even the press, okay, what do you mean by 3 clear days? Everybody has answer 3 working days, right? But here it is not like that. Even national holiday is considered as a clear day. So माझे एकूच मागणे, I believe in the law of the land. आमच्या हिंगा सोंपवना, and my creator is there. I'm going for the justice, and this will be the history. Okay, we want justice, saying that 3 clear days. We are ready to face anything, but we want to know what is the 3 clear days. We send these MLAs for the legislation. What is 3 clear days? Is the holiday included for the 3 clear days? Fine, then the offices should be open. I want some information. The offices should be open for that. If I am a sarpanch or I am a member, that office should be open, the video should be open. So इतलेंच म्हणून हांव हिंगा थांबपाचो ना. I am praying for justice, and I know my God is there, and justice will prevail. This is only the harassment for the local man. हे चलना पळय तें सगळी ही दादागिरी वयर बसता, ओके, आनी आयकोपाचें ना. We waited her for the almost 45 minutes. She comes and says, your matter is dismissed. It is so easy, you know. The people are waiting there. My lawyer was waiting. I was waiting. Okay, your matter is dismissed. Fine. But the law of the land is there. And I'm going to go to the High Court. And I will go to the highest authority, maybe to the Supreme Court. Let everybody get the justice. What is the 3 clear days? And thank you very much.
Thank you.